Hello and welcome to my SEMrush keyword research tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different methods of doing keyword research with SEMrush. If you will use all these 3 methods, then you can find thousands of easy to rank keywords quickly and easily. By the way, if you want to follow along, then I will give SEMrush free trial link in the video description. Definitely that's my affiliate link. So if you want to use SEMrush for free, then link is in the video description. So let's see how to do keyword research in SEMrush. Okay, so when you will click on the link given in the video description and activate your free trial, then you will see a dashboard like this. So all you need to do is just click on this keyword magic tool from the left sidebar. When you will click on it, then you will see a dashboard like this. As you can see, it can find millions of keyword suggestions for your SEO. Okay, so let's see how we can use SEMrush keyword magic tool to find easy to rank keywords. So for doing keyword research with SEMrush keyword magic tool, you need to enter your seed keyword here. For example, I want to do keyword research related to weight gain. So what I will do, I will write weight gain here. So don't write long tail keyword here like how to gain weight or all these things. Write short tail keyword, that is the topic on which you want to do keyword research, that is weight gain. Okay, so I hope you understood. So for now, I'm going to do a keyword research for weight gain and I will try to find easy to rank keyword related to weight gain with SEMrush keyword magic tools. So let's enter weight gain here, and as you can see, I have selected United States country and let's click on search. So as you can see, it is showing me 342,000 keyword, which is a huge list of keyword. So it seems very difficult to find easy to rank keyword from this huge list. So what we are going to do, we are going to apply some filter. So there are lots of things. So let me first explain you this dashboard. So there are all keywords. Next is there are some question based keyword. If you will click on it, then you will find question based keyword like how to gain weight, does protein make you gain weight. Okay, so you will find question related keyword if you will click on question tab. Okay, so for now I'm going to click on all. There are face match keyword, exact match keyword. So whatever you have entered, that keyword will be here in the keyword. Next is exact match keyword, and last is the related keyword. So we are going to select broad match keyword from here. And next there are some other filters like you can sort this keyword by volume, sort by keyword difficulty. So if keyword difficulty will be low, then it will be easy to rank, and if keyword difficulty is high, then you will face difficulty to rank article on Google. Okay, so you should focus on low keyword difficulty keyword. Next is intent. So if you want to write informational type content related to weight loss, then you can select it. And if you want to do affiliate marketing and you want to promote some product and you want to find some commercial or transactional keyword that will help you to make some affiliate commission, then you can select this 2 category, which is commercial and transactional. Okay, if you want the list of only those keywords which have a specific words in it, so you can add your words here. And suppose if you want to avoid any kind of keyword, then you can write it here. And there are some advanced filters. So there is one word count. So if you want to find long tail keyword, then you can write like 5 here. So it means that it will show you only those keywords which have at least 5 words in it. Okay, I hope you understood. So there are lots of filter. So as you can see, it is showing me 342,000 keyword. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply some filter, and let's apply our first filter, which is keyword difficulty range. So we want only those keyword whose keyword difficulty is 0 to 29. Okay, so as you can see, 0 to 14 means very easy to rank, and 15 to 29 means it is also easy to rank. Okay, so that's why I have selected keyword difficulty range from 0 to 29. Let's click on apply, and as you can see, from 300k keywords to just 4k keywords. Okay, and suppose I want to find only those keywords which are informational. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the intent from here and I will apply informational from here. And before applying this, as you can see, there are 4,000 keywords. So let's apply the intent informational. And as you can see, now it is showing me 3.4k keywords. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to use this include keyword feature. Okay, so we are going to find some informational keyword, right, related to weight gain. So let's click on any keyword and let's write something like, if any keyword is informational, it means that that keyword has words like what, why, how, when, like this. Okay, so let's write some keywords here like what, why, when, how, which. So I have added some keyword and I have selected any keyword. It means that it will find only those keywords which have any of these words. Okay, so let's click on apply, and as you can see currently it is showing 3.4k keywords. So let's apply this, and now it is showing me only 272 informational keyword. So these are the easy to rank keyword on which we can write article and rank easily. Okay, as you can see it is showing keyword difficulty 27, 25, 8. So it is not in ascending order. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on it. So it is showing the keyword difficulty from high to low. So let's click on once again, and now it is showing me keyword difficulty from low to high. Okay, so these are the keywords that are very easy to rank. So I have found 272 keywords that are easy to rank with SEMrush Keyword Magic Tool. Let's see the keywords here, like how to gain weight for wrestling, how do boxers gain weight, okay, how to gain weight while running. Okay, next keyword is, does your feet grow when you gain weight? So there are lots of informational keyword, I can say easy to rank keyword. If you will write articles on this particular keywords, then there is chance that you can rank easily because keyword difficulty is very low. It means that you don't need to build a lots of backlink for your article to rank on Google. Okay, so keyword difficulty is low. It means that you can write articles on all these keywords and you can rank for this keyword easily if you will do on-page SEO properly. Okay, so this is our first method of doing the keyword research with SEMrush Keyword Magic Tool. So now I'm going to show you our second method in which we are going to do a competitor analysis. We are going to enter our competitor URL in SEMrush and we will try to find all their keyword, and then we will apply some filter and find easy to rank keyword from all the keywords for which they are ranking, and then we will find competitor of our competitor, and then we will do the same process with it and we will find thousands of easy to rank keywords. So let's see how we can do it. Okay, so for this what you need to do, just click on the organic research section, and here I'm going to enter one of my competitor URL, which is bloggerspassion.com. Okay, so in organic research you need to enter your competitor URL here. Okay, and just click on search. Here you can see the overview of their site traffic, top keywords for which they are ranking. Okay, and you can check all this data here, but it is useless for us because our goal is to find easy to rank keyword from our competitor, right? We want to steal their easy to rank keyword. So for this what you need to do, just click on this position tab. Okay, and here it will show you all the keywords for which they are ranking on Google. So here I'm going to apply some filter that will help us to find the easy to rank keyword from our competitor. So okay, as you can see 20,000 plus keyword it is showing for our competitor. So now I'm going to select this position filter and I'm going to apply the first filter that I want only those keywords for which our competitor is ranking in top 10 position on Google. Okay, so I have applied top 10 and from 20,000 keywords to just 1200 keyword. So okay, so these are the keyword for which my competitor is ranking in top 10 position on Google. Okay, so now I'm going to apply our second filter. I'm going to apply keyword difficulty range from 0 to 29, same as previous case. So it means that it will show me only those keyword for which keyword difficulty is 0 to 29. Okay, so let's click on apply and let's arrange our keyword difficulty from low to high. So for this you need to click on keyword difficulty tab. So it is showing me high to low keyword difficulty. So let's click on once again. So now it has arranged all the keyword from low keyword difficulty to high keyword difficulty and from 20,000 keyword to just 400 keyword. Okay, so these 400 keywords are those keywords for which my competitor is ranking in top 10 position on Google, and also these are the keyword for which keyword difficulty is very less, that is from 0 to 29. Okay, first keyword is affiliate marketing, inspirational quotes, free blog submission sites, conservative web search engine, high paying keywords for AdSense, and it is showing me lots of good keywords. I'm not saying that all these keywords are good keywords, but definitely if you will scan these keywords, then you will find that some of these keywords are very informational, commercial, and you can rank for it easily because keyword difficulty is less. Okay, keyword difficulty is low, it means that you don't need to build lots of backlink for ranking for this particular keyword. So okay, so in first case we have found 400 easy to rank keyword from our competitor bloggerspassion.com, and now I'm going to show you how to repeat this process and found thousands of keyword with the same method. Okay, so what you need to do, just click on the competitor tab. Okay, so this is my competitor bloggerspassion.com. Now I'm going to find the competitor competitor of my competitor. It means that it will show all the competitor of my competitor. It means that all these competitors are also in the same niche as mine. So I can use any of this competitor to find more easy to rank keywords. For example, let's select bloggingtips.com. okay, so this is also in my niche. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on it. I'm going to again position tab. I will apply the same filter, that is position top 10 and keyword difficulty 0 to 29, and I will arrange keyword from low keyword difficulty to high keyword difficulty. And as you can see, it is showing me 300 plus easy to rank keyword. What I'm going to do now, I will again go to competitor of this competitor, and now I'm going to select any of this competitor. Okay, so let's select this one, authorityhacker.com. so again I will do the same thing. I will go to position tab. I will apply the same filter, that is position top 10 and keyword difficulty 0 to 29. I will arrange the keyword from low keyword difficulty to high keyword difficulty, and as you can see, it has found thousands of easy to rank keyword like homeschool affiliate program, farming affiliate program, best affiliate marketing program for home decor. So these are all easy to rank keyword difficulty is very less. So it means that we can write a good article on these keywords, and if we will properly optimize this article for SEO, we will do proper on page SEO, then we don't need to build a lots of backlink for this keyword, and we can rank for this keyword very easily. So you can repeat the same process. You can again go to competitor and you can repeat the process, and it is not going to end. Okay, so you will find every time you will find 1000. okay, as you can see, it is showing 14,000 competitor. So it means that you can repeat the same process thousands of time, and you can find easy to rank keyword from your competitor, your competitors of competitor, like this. By using this competitor analysis method, you can find more keyword as compared to keyword magic tool. So keyword magic tool is limited, I think. So it is good, but it is not as good as competitor analysis, because with the competitor analysis you can find those keywords which are already working for your competitor and for which they are ranking in top 10 position. Okay, so I hope you found it helpful, and now I'm going to show you the last method of doing the keyword research, which is keyword gap analysis. Okay, so just select the keyword gap analysis from here, and here you need to enter your website here. So for example, my website is SEMrush.com. so let's say SEMrush.com is doing the keyword gap analysis, and they want to compare their website with Ahrefs.com, which is their competitor, and they want to find some keywords for which they can also rank. So here is a quick tip for you. Suppose your domain rating is 40, then in that case you should do keyword gap analysis with those competitor who has domain rating same as your or lower than your domain ranking. So okay, so for example, your domain authority is 40, then you should do keyword gap analysis with those competitor who has domain authority 40 or less than 40. Okay, I hope you understood. So if you will enter those competitor URL which have higher authority as compared to your, then it is useless to do keyword gap analysis. You cannot rank for those keywords which you are going to find in this tool. Okay, so always enter those competitor URL who have less domain authority or same domain authority as yours. So I hope you understood. So let's start our keyword gap analysis. So let's say SEMrush.com is our website and Ahrefs.com is our competitor website. So let's click on compare and just scroll down a little bit. So now I'm going to show you what is the use of this keyword gap analysis tool. So listen it carefully. The very first thing is that it is showing that 47.2k keywords are shared keywords. It means that these are the keywords for which your competitor Ahrefs.com is ranking and your website SEMrush.com is ranking. Okay, so both sites is ranking for this 47.2 thousand keywords. I hope you understood. Next is missing keyword. Okay, so missing keyword is those keywords for which your competitor is ranking on Google, but you have not written any article on this keyword, so you are not ranking. So these are the missing keyword for which your competitor is ranking on Google, but you are not ranking because you have not written articles targeting these keywords. Next is weak keywords. Weak keywords are those keywords for which you and your competitor both have written article on this particular keyword, but your competitor is ranking better on Google as compared to your article. Okay, strong keyword. It means that you and your competitor both have written articles targeting these keywords, but your position is strong. You are ranking better on Google as compared to your competitor. Next is untapped keyword. So untapped keyword is same as missing keyword. Both are similar thing. Okay, so I don't know why they have added 2 tab for this, because both are similar. Next is unique keyword. Unique keywords means these are the keyword for which you have written article, but your competitor has not covered this keyword on their site. I know you will ask, what is the use of this keyword gap analysis tool? Okay, the only 2 things that are useful for you is missing keyword tab and weak keyword tab. Okay, so let me explain what you can do with this. So missing keyword are those keyword for which your competitor has written article and you forgot to cover this keyword on your website. So what I will recommend you to write articles targeting all these keywords, okay, and do proper on-page SEO so that you can also rank on Google, because you forgot to cover these keywords on your website. Okay, so what you need to do, and first you need to sort these keywords by keyword difficulty from low to high. Just click on it. So now it is showing you keyword from low keyword difficulty to high keyword difficulty. So target all these keywords on your site and rank for it easily. Okay, you have forgot to cover these keywords on your site. The next thing that is useful for you is this weak keyword section. It means that you and your competitor both have written article, but your competitor is ranking better on Google as compared to your article. Okay, and your competitor domain authority is less than your domain authority, but still it is ranking better on Google as compared to you. It means that he has done something better in his article. So what you can do, you can compare your article with your competitor article for this keyword, and then you can understand what you can add in your article, what other value you can provide in your article, so that you can rank better on Google. Okay, so just compare your article with your competitor article for these keywords and then update your article accordingly so that you can rank better as compared to your competitor. Okay, so these are the 3 methods of doing the keyword research with SEMrush. So if you want to use keyword magic tool, keyword gap analysis tool, and this competitor analysis tool yourself to find thousands of easy to rank keyword, then I will recommend you to activate the SEMrush free trial. Link is in the video description. I have shared a special link. If you will click on it, then it will provide you exclusive SEMrush free trial. So just go and activate the free trial and use all this tool yourself to find thousands of easy to rank keyword with this tool. Okay, so these are the 3 methods of doing the keyword research with SEMrush. First one is keyword magic tool, which I have covered. Then after that I have discussed about how you can use this organic research section to do competitor analysis, and you can steal the easy to rank keyword from your competitor and from competitor of your competitor. And in last I show you how to do keyword gap analysis to find some untapped keyword that you forgot to cover on your website but your competitor has covered on their website. So I hope you found this SEMrush keyword research tutorial video helpful. I hope now you understand how to do keyword research with SEMrush in the right way. So there are lots of tools like this in SEMrush. As you can see, for SEO there are lots of tool. For local SEO there are lots of tool. For advertising there are lots of tool. For social media there are some tools for this, and also there are tools for content marketing, finding the trends, and some agency solutions. So if you want to test all these tools yourself without paying anything, then SEMrush free trial link is in the video description. Just go and check it out and activate your free trial and test all these tools yourself to decide SEMrush is worth your money or not. Okay, and suppose if you found that this is not the right platform for you, then you can go to your account setting and you can cancel your SEMrush free trial within 7 days. And suppose if you found that this is the right tool for you, then you can continue your subscription. So free trial link is in the video description. Just go and check it out. So I hope you found this SEMrush keyword research tool helpful. If you still have any confusion regarding doing the keyword research with SEMrush, then please let me know via comment below. And if you found this video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.